Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we're going to discuss how to fix Microsoft Excel merged cells need to be the same size error. Let's watch this video and follow the step-by-step methods. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to know how to fix Excel merged cells need to be the same size error. Solution 1. Restart the Excel application. The very first step you can take is to close Excel completely and reboot your PC. After a few seconds, reopen the Excel file to check for the error. Solution 2. Unmerge the Excel cells. Unmerging the cells in MS Excel is an excellent trick that can be used to fix this error. Whether you've inherited a spreadsheet with merged cells or accidentally merged cells yourself, understanding how to revert this action is crucial. Let's know how to unmerge the cells. Select one or more cells you want to unmerge. On the Home tab, in the Alignment group, click Merge and Center. Or, click the drop-down arrow next to the Merge and Center button, and select Unmerge Cells. Either way, Excel will unmerge all the merged cells in the selection and solve this problem. Solution 3. Update the Excel app to the latest version. Running an outdated version of Microsoft Office can lead to Excel error. Merged cells need to be the same size. So, ensure your Microsoft Office version is up to date. For this, follow the below steps. Open the Microsoft Excel. Click the File tab. Click the Account option. Click Update Options. And click Update Now to check for updates for the Office app and update it to the latest version. Fix worksheet-related issues using Excel Repair tool. If you are facing merged cells need to be the same size error due to Excel file corruption, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about how to fix Excel merged cells need to be the same size error. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.